Welcome to part 4 of our ASP.NET Employee Manager series. In this video, we will display employee records using GridView with the basic formatting and sorting. Today, we will build a page that displays employee records in a GridView. We will connect it to the database, format the output, and make it more user-friendly. Let us design a new page named viewemployees.aspx. Drag a GridView control from the toolbox and name it GVEmployees. We will also add a label to show when no data is found. Now, let us see how to insert a new employee record using the form. We enter the required details such as employee name, department, and salary, and then click the Save button. Once the record is successfully inserted into the database, it immediately appears in the GridView below. The GridView displays the updated list of employees, including the new added record. This confirms that the insert operation is working correctly and the data is being retrieved and displayed as expected. This VB.NET code fetches the employee records and binds them to the GridView. If the table is empty, we display a no records message. The GridView by disabling auto-generated columns and adding bound fields for each column. Sorting can also be enabled with a few simple properties. Here is an example output of the GridView after binding. Employee records are displayed clearly, sorted by the latest entry first. Here is the design view of the form. We have a GridView control to display the data and a label control to show status messages or instructions. These controls help present information clearly to the user within the application. In this part, we used GridView to view data from our employees table. In the next part, we will make it interactive by adding edit and delete functionality.